Hey learners, here's a breakdown of tips for using speech transitions effectively. Use clear and concise phrases. Opt for transition phrases that clearly indicate the relationship between ideas. Examples include, in addition, however, moreover, furthermore, and conversely. These phrases help signal to the audience that a new point is being introduced or that a shift in topic or perspective is occurring. Practice smooth delivery. Practice delivering transitions smoothly to maintain audience engagement and interest. Avoid rushing through transitions or stumbling over words, as this can disrupt the flow of your speech. Aim for a natural and confident delivery that seamlessly connects one idea to the next. Vary transition techniques. Avoid using the same transition phrases repeatedly throughout your speech. Instead, vary your transition techniques to keep your audience engaged and avoid monotony. Experiment with different transition words and phrases to add variety and interest to your speech. Ensure transitions serve a purpose. Every transition should serve a purpose and contribute to the overall coherence and flow of your speech. Before incorporating a transition, ask yourself how it helps connect your ideas and guide your audience through your speech. If a transition doesn't serve a clear purpose, consider revising or eliminating it. Practice and refine. Like any aspect of public speaking, using transitions effectively requires practice and refinement. Take the time to rehearse your speech with transitions included, paying attention to the pacing, clarity, and effectiveness of each transition. Seek feedback from peers or mentors and make adjustments as needed to improve your delivery. By following these tips, you can enhance the clarity, coherence, and impact of your speech transitions, ensuring that your audience stays engaged and connected throughout your presentation.